morning everyone. Myself Palak Prabhu and I am from SSS Samiti Higher Secondary Kavri. Today I am participating in an allocation competition titled Atmanirbhar Bharat Swayambhurna Goa. So let's start. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you all to paint a vision of Goa. A Goa that is not just a tourist paradise but a beacon of self-sufficiency and hope. Yes, you're correct. By this I mean by a Goa that is Swayambhurna. Our Goa is well known for the breathtaking beaches, the rich cultures and a vibrant history. But we are not interested in that right now, isn't it? Today, we'll explore a different side of Goa. I even got an amazing title for the same. It goes like Swayambhurna Goa, a journey towards self-sufficiency. Goa, often perceived as a small state, with its laid-back lifestyle, what we call as the Sushegat lifestyle, is taking a significant step towards self-sufficiency. But what does self-sufficiency mean in the context of Goa? Well, Goa is trying to become self-sufficient in various sectors like agriculture, economy, energy and waste management to ensure a sustainable future for its future generation. Now a question may arise that why is it necessary at all? Isn't it? Like solta degine white asatur. But, the answer lies in the fact that beneath this picture perfect surface lies a pressing need, that is a need to achieve self-sufficiency. Because mind it, even today we are highly dependent on our neighboring states for various resources. Our Goa is very rich in biodiversity, isn't it? But today Goa is compelled to import food grains from outside Goa. And when this serious issue came under light, the government of Goa, under the leadership of our Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant, launched the Swayambhurna Goa program in the year 2020. And under this program, the government as well as the local authorities are now focusing on revitalization of agriculture. Efforts are being made to promote organic farming and this will play a key role in ensuring food security as well as self-reliance in agriculture. Now, do you all know that our state do not produce any power? We are highly dependent on Maharashtra and Karnataka for our energy requirements. Our Goa is blessed abundantly with natural resources like the sunlight, making it an ideal spot for the generation of solar power. So, now under this program, even solar panels are being installed in Goa. And this will not only reduce the state's dependency, but will also contribute towards a more cleaner and a more greener Goa. As you all must be knowing that every year thousands of tourists visit our Goa. And of course, it acts as a boon to our economy. But what about the waste that they generate? The waste causes a serious problem, isn't it? But my dear friends, you will be happy to know that this isn't a problem anymore because the Swayambhurna Goa program also focuses on waste management. It includes waste segregation as well as conversion of waste into some useful resource so that a drawback can be converted into an opportunity. How cool it sounds, isn't it? Now, whenever we meet any tourist, they are under the misconception that our Goa is only for the beaches and the nightlife. But is this what our Goa is? Isn't there a need to show them what real Goa is like? Our identity as Goans shall be preserved. We should be proud of our own culture. We Goans are very capable and creative. Our capabilities should not go unnoticed. So now for that, the government is supporting small businesses as well as making an effort to develop self-employment among the youth. And trust me, this has reduced the rate of unemployment in our state. As you all must be knowing that our Goa is known as the Pearl of the Orient. But what I have known is that its beauty does not lie in the beaches but in its people, who are more true and real than the finest diamonds. As Nelson Mandela has said, the greatest glory of life isn't about never falling, but about rising each time we fall. So, in this process of conversion of Goa into a model state, there might be ups and downs. But let us not fall for that. Let us all rise together as a team. Because Shri Krishna has said that when we work together, our capabilities as well as our drawbacks are combined, and together we can create a beautiful tapestry of success. I really want my Goa to be self-dependent. I want my Goa to be self-sufficient. I want my Goa to be a Swayampurna Goa. A Goa where our futures are bright and our potentials are limitless. My heart echoes with Majhe Goy, Swayampurna Goy. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.